Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be taking a look at the GMC Canyon AT4X. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below to see more content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have your lock, unlock, panic button, and remote start features. You can see up front we have these nice LED accented headlights with the fog lights as well. GMC logo in the front grille. This has this nice kind of like matte black finish on the grille, which looks really cool. You also do have a couple more lights up here. Two red tow hooks at the bottom, as well as your underbody skid plates. You can see up front we have the Multimatic DSSV suspension. We also do have these Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tires. These are the Territory MTs, perfect for off-roading. We also do have the skid plates on the side, as you can see, the side rockers. We also do have a ton of underbody skid plates as well to protect everything under there. AT4X badging all the way around. We also do have that same suspension in the rear, so you have the Multimatic DSSV in the rear as well. Single exhaust tip in the back with your spare tire. So you have your parking sensors, AT4X badging with the GMC Canyon logo. If we go ahead and open up this tailgate, comes down nice and easy. Bed liner with the AT4X logo as well. You also do have a plug-in in the back, 120 volt plug-in. All of your tie downs and everything you need back here as well. You also do have the tailgate right here that can open up for extra storage. So I'll show you that real quick. So as you can see, you have more storage inside the tailgate as well. This is watertight, so you can use it as a cooler and whatnot. It also does have a plug-in to drain out all the water. We can go ahead and lock that back. And you also do have these markers on the back tailgate. If you need to cut a piece of wood real quick, these are all in inches. So you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4 through 48 inches, so about 4 feet right there. 4-pin connector with a 6-pin as well for your trailer hookup, and your towing hookup right there as well. Easy fill gas cap, makes that nice and easy to fill up. And in the back, as you can see, we do have this red stitching with a nice white accented interior. This is exclusive for the AT4X. So you can see the inside of this truck looks really freaking sweet. You can also lift up the seats by pulling up on this lever and then pulling up on the seat. So underneath, you can see you have all of your tools for your spare tire and whatnot, or you can store some stuff under there if need be. Go ahead and put that down and we'll hop inside. So back here we have decent room. We have a divot in the roof for extra headroom as well. We also do have a manual sliding rear glass window. A couple of cup holders for the back, and we do have 2 more cup holders right here. All of your AC vents, plug-ins, 3-prong, everything down there. Storage behind both the seats. But pretty decent room for the back seat. I'm about 6 foot tall. I have this much leg room, and this is about eye level for me, but it's nice to have this divot in the roof for extra headroom. Definitely kind of need it. Let's go ahead and hop out. And we'll hop in the driver's side. So you have your lock and unlock button here as well. So with the key in your pocket, you can unlock or unlock the vehicle. But same thing up here. We have that white with red stitching up front with the AT4X logo. You can see we have the red accented AC vents all the way around. Really nice interior styling on this vehicle, but we'll go ahead and start it up. And of course, we'll start off with the steering wheel. So you have your forward collision adjustments, cruise control adjustments. You have a heated steering wheel. You can control the display up here. So if you press this button, you can scroll through all the different displays that you can use. So fully customizable screen up here. You also do have hands-free calling and Bluetooth, as well as your music. Here's your trailer brake adjuster. We also do have the heads-up display in this vehicle so you can see your speed while you're rolling down the road. Couple of paddles in the back. So this one is to scroll through your presets, and then this one is to turn the volume up and down. We also do have dual zone climate in this vehicle. Cooled seats, heated seats, all of your AC controls up here so you can turn the fan up or down. We have the rear locking differential, front and rear locking differential, automatic stop start, hazards, lane keep assist, and the auxiliary button. That's to cut on the plug-in in the bed. This button right here will roll down all the windows at one time. We also do have a wireless charging pad with a couple of phone hookups. All of our four-wheel drive controls in one place, so you have auto, 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Electronic parking brake, and we do have our shifter as well. So we can go in reverse, neutral, drive, and L mode. In L mode, you can shift up or down by using this button on the side. And you can see all of our different cameras right here, so you can see in front of you, behind you. You have all of your zoomed in views, as well as your front and rear tire views. We also do have surround vision, so you can see all the way around the vehicle. You can see your tow hitch. You can also see underneath the vehicle, so you can make sure no rocks are hitting the underbody. And you can also see the entire underneath the vehicle. So as you can see, I'm turning the wheel, and the wheels are turning with it. But a lot of crazy views on this vehicle that are really nice to have. You also do have your parking line, so that's for a parking spot, and then this one's to hook up a trailer. On the doors, you have this nice kind of carbon fiber looking accented trim on the doors, which is super nice. Red stitching with the white, looks really good. All of your mirror adjustments. You also do have memory seats, so you have 2 different settings with an exit setting, lock and unlock as well. And you have that little car in the mirror, so when something's in your blind spot, that'll light up orange. Here's the center console, so you have this little cubby that you can slide out. Tons of storage inside of there, as well as another phone hookup. And on the touchscreen, you do have the power for the touchscreen, and you can turn the volume up or down. So we have our audio, which is our AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also do have built-in Google Maps. You can hook up different phones, use the trailer app, climate, Google Play Store settings, all that stuff right there. We also do have our Wi-Fi hotspot. You can see your vehicle status. You can pull up those cameras. You also do have different controls for the vehicle. So you can control the heads-up display, power window lockout, all that stuff right there. You also do have your off-road mode. So you have Baja mode, terrain mode, and overlanding mode. I don't know why I was doing that, I apologize. We also do have air down mode, so you can set a target pressure for all 4 tires, then tap start. As you deflate each tire, the horn will honk when the set target pressure is achieved. So you can air down and up without even having to get out the vehicle, which is super cool. And you also do have the My GMC app. We also do have Bose audio all the way around with a little bit of storage behind the screen. There's our rear view mirror, and we also do have a sunroof as well. You can open or close that, and you can also open up the sunroof by pressing this button, so that'll open it all the way up. And we can also close it as well. We also do have a tilt adjustment, so you can just tilt it up like that if you want to. We have our map lights, OnStar buttons, everything like that. We also do have a glove box with plenty of storage space. We have our AT4X floor mats on the front and back, which are really nice to have. But interior on this car is absolutely beautiful. Really nice interior, guys. But let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look at the outside. We'll also take a look at the window sticker as well. But yeah, make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the AT4X. Would you guys rather have this or the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2? Let me know down below. But this looks really good, finished in the black paint. Looks really aggressive. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the window sticker. So this one is a 2023 Canyon four-wheel drive AT4X crew cab, onyx black with the obsidian rust interior. It's got the 2.7 turbo high output motor with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Base price for the AT4X is $55,500 with destination charge and options. This one is $58,990. You get 16 city, 16 highway, and here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and take a look at it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for now. You'll see a few different videos popping up in the corners right here. So if you see anything that you like, make sure you click those and check out those vehicles. But that's it for now. I appreciate you guys watching if you're still here, and I'll see you next time.